Here's how to use the AutoSum button to quickly add up numbers in Excel, and I'll show you how to avoid making some mistakes while using that button. I have a column here called Years of Service, and I want to total up the whole thing. I'm going to click the cell beneath that column, and up at the top, I'm going to go to the Home ribbon, and click the AutoSum button right there. A formula will appear. I'm just going to hit enter, and just like that, I have a total. It's very important to hit the enter button right after you hit the AutoSum button, because if you start clicking other cells while the formula is still showing, it'll alter the formula and start messing things up. If this happens and you start to get confused, just delete everything in the AutoSum cell and start doing everything over again. Even if you hit enter immediately after clicking the AutoSum button, it doesn't always work correctly. In this column here, I have hourly wage, but some of the values say NA. When I go to use AutoSum and hit enter, it gives me the wrong amount. I can just tell that it's too low. If I click back into that cell, it'll show me the formula it used in the formula bar at the top. In the parentheses, it specifies a range of cells that it added together. If I click that formula, it'll highlight the range that I used. And as you can see, it only added up the numbers after the last NA. I can expand that range by expanding the highlighted box. It may be hard to see, but there's these little tiny squares on the corners of the box. If I hover above one of those squares, my pointer turns into a diagonal arrow. And that's what I want. I don't want a symbol that looks like this. While it's a diagonal arrow, I can hold the left button on the mouse and drag it over the data until it covers the entire column. I can then hit enter and get the correct total of the entire column. It's a good practice to double check every AutoSum that you do to make sure it's summing up all the data that you want it to sum up. The cool thing is, if you add data, change data, or delete data in the column, the AutoSum will automatically update. I will also point out that you can AutoSum a row of data as well. You just go out to the right of the last bit of data and use the AutoSum that way. So that's how you use the AutoSum button. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. If you'd like to learn about filtering in Excel, click the video link on the screen in front of you. Have a good day, everyone.